Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Steven in Indiana on this Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Steven, got it ready to go for you, bud. Pay no attention to all that flickering and flashing. That's just where the camera is actually picking up the LED lights switching that the naked eye can't normally see. Got all your audio mods done, all the power mods, regulator upgrade, tune alignment. Let's get right to it. 500 watt slug, 25 watts with RF power all the way down. I roll it up. Got set at 125. Show you average power swing. Hello, audio. 300 bird, 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, audio. That's 780. All right, Steve, we'll get it out to you, but I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum.